So we will use this first, the Torx 30, one here and one on the other side. This one, this one. So basically just open it with the switch or the keys on so that you can rotate it. Okay, and then after that we will take out this thing. So now it's finished opening it with this. Take that out. And there's two terminals on that, this one and that one, and yeah, this is the airbag wire and that is the horn. So just push the thing, this one, open this, just push the clip. Yeah, it's open. And then the best thing you can do with this is that turn it like that. You need this to open this thing like that. You see that? And then push out. Okay, hold